Given the ordered pair -4, -3, we're asked to find another point so that the 2 points are symmetric in part A about the x-axis, in part B about the y-axis, and in part C about the origin. So we'll begin by plotting the ordered pair -4, -3, which is down here in the third quadrant. And to be symmetric about the x-axis means that we're going to jump over the x-axis and land the same distance away from it, but on the other side. So the ordered pair -4, +3 is symmetric to the ordered pair -4, -3 over the x-axis. And so that would be our answer to part A. In part B, we're asked to find another point that is symmetric to the original, but this time over the y-axis. So -4, -3 is -4 units away from the y-axis in the third quadrant, and so we're going to want to go the same distance away from the y-axis on the other side, so we land in the fourth quadrant at now +4, but still at the y value -3. So +4, -3 is the point that's symmetrical to our original point, but on the other side of the y-axis. Now to find a point that's symmetric about the origin, to get to the original point, we've traveled 4 units to the left and then 3 units down. To get to an ordered pair that's symmetric about the origin from this point, we're going to go 4 units, but this time to the right, and 3 units up. So we land at the ordered pair +4, +3, which is a point that's symmetric to the original point about the origin.